Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's my toolbox store. I've seen them lately. Half-inch sockets in the back, lug nut socket 19, breaker bar in the back because don't have space in this little thing. Impact socket or impact fucking adapter. A 1/4 inch, no, 3/8 right here. Some sockets, some easy outs, standard and metric. My 1/4 inch standard and metric, some 12-point 1/4 inches, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch ratchet, a little Harbor Freight Duralast 3/8. Love this ratchet. 3/8 breaker bar welded because I broke this at work and they let me take it home. And 2 Harbor Freight non-swivel or non-pivoting 3/8 ratchets. Got 2 of them. If you know how shitty these are, you know why I welded that. Wrenches, 19 to 7. Missing. No, that's it. Missing a 16 actually, but you see I got 2 17s. This one's ground down to be 18. I'll get it to 18 millimeter fucking wrench one of these days. And I got 3/8, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 7/16, 3/8 or 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and 15/16, and a 8-inch Craftsman an adjustable wrench. A little 2-pound. No, this is. I think it's 3-pound. I believe. Little beater, pry bar, spark plug gapper, little flashlight, sawzall blade. Don't ask me. Little headlamp that's broke. Drill bits, multimeter, compass, scribe, vice grips, a couple pliers, rulers. Got a depth ruler, metal ruler. That one. Some filler gauges and my leads for that. Screwdrivers, not that big selection. Just a amateur mechanic, nothing big. My Allens, got these at Walmart on sale. This is 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch. They work perfectly fine. Little mallet, adjustable, some vice grips. No, these are channel locks. Idiot. A couple wire brushes. I got these at dollar store. They work perfectly fine for what I need it for. File, need to clean that out. Little C clamp, pipe cutter, chalk line, timing light. This last drawer, I'm getting a new toolbox, so don't worry. This last drawer is dangerous. Yeah. Right like that. Drill, shitty drill, 1 angle grinder, sawzall, all my cut off wheels and shit. Another angle grinder, piece of shit. Some fuses I got from the junkyard. My welder, helmets. Generally, RS stickers, safety glasses. This dope lighter that my friend found in the garbage. Need to put lighter fluid in it. License plate I'd rather be flying. And now down here, got a little bag to go to the junkyard. Just put some tools in there. Mystery tackle box, don't gotta worry about that. Some spray adhesive, 2-stroke oil, caulking gun, machete, a trowel, some random bolts and nuts from the junkyard and an old project of mine. Just miscellaneous sockets, go-kart chain and a clutch, orbital sander, some spray paint and my allergy medicine, spray paint cans, self-tappers, electrical shit, circular saw, grease gun that's fallen, a safety harness, racing helmet, old World War II helmet, actually Vietnam helmet, my bad, have a World War II helmet. Over here, a box of old project parts, some old brake pads, medical box, radio, just don't really do that, some old brake rotors I was going to do something with, some cleaning supplies, this stuff's pretty good, some more cleaning supplies over there, coolant, power steering fluid, some automatic transmission fluid, some brake fluid, shit, and we'll clean that up in a little bit. 2 12s in the box, some old boxes of mine, a little electric guitar, this oil drum, got that from a scrapper, 350 small block. I'm going to be doing a build on this sometime down the road, air compressor, some jack stands, my jack, some of those ramps. But yeah, that's shop tour. Catch you in the next video.